Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to Raw Data Notebook. If you are a data scientist, machine learning enthusiast, or an aspiring quant developer, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into one of the most underappreciated skills that can super change your workflow, which is bash scripting. We will learn how to automate tasks, handle huge data files, and even deploy entire projects all from your terminal. By the end of this course, you'll know how to make your workflow faster, smarter, and more production ready. Hi, my name is Akriti, and I'm here to make technical skills like bash scripting simple and actionable, especially for those who are in data science and quant finance. Most people might ignore bash, but it's actually very useful when it comes to data scientist or quant developer because it lets you automate repetitive work, deploy faster, and become that efficient and behind the scene expert member of the team. Now let's talk about why this matters to you. Being a data scientist or quant developer, why do you need it? Yes, it automates your repetitive data workflow works, or it can also automate your deployment. Where, if I give you an example, when I was doing my first internship, I used to fetch a lot of data, and every morning it used to take me around 2 to 3 hours every day. So one day I used operating systems and whatnot, but that doesn't work for me. Then I got to know one of the functions that is used by bash, and it is really life-saving. And these are the reasons why bash scripting is very important in a data science field or in a quant developer field. Okay, it also helps you handle larger data files with memory efficient commands. Like bash has tools like grep or awk, which we will be discussing later. These will help you work with gigabytes of logs or CSVs faster than Python. It will also help you schedule your scripts and manage pipelines easily. Well, you'll learn how to automate tasks daily, weekly, or hourly with just one line using cron jobs, which we are going to discuss later in this course. It also, seamlessly integrate Python, R, C++ workflows because bash doesn't, replaces your favorite languages. It basically connects them. And you can navigate and work efficiently on remote servers and cloud platforms using bash. And it also manipulates data using tools like awk and grep, which we are going to discuss later. And these are a very important tools for data scientists and quant developers because these are must known skills if you want to go from junior to senior fast. Here's exactly what we'll be covering so you are not overwhelmed and you learn only what's practical. So the very first comes bash basics, where you will be learning about terminals and shell commands, which is the foundation. Okay, so we are going to learn the language of the terminal. Then comes how to build your first .sh file, where we will learn how to write and run the scripts. Later we will talk about awk, set, cut, essential tools for messy data, and we will try to learn data handling tools. After that, we will learn how to automate Python and R scripting, where we'll combine bash with Python or R for automating our workflows. Then we will learn how to schedule tasks using cron jobs, and it will help you automate your task on our time-based triggers. After this, we will be learning about Git and virtual environments, where we track changes and manage projects dependencies. Later, we will learn how to work like a backend engineer, where we deploy your scripts and models. And here comes a bonus learning from my side, in which we will be learning about special segment on financial data automation and backtesting for quants. So this is all you need to learn as a data scientist or a quant developer if you want to work efficiently and smartly. Okay, so now we are going to talk what you all need to follow along. You need to have a computer with Linux, Mac OS, or WSL on your Windows. Basic understanding of terminals. You need to have that curiosity to automate and simplify tasks, because it might be somehow boring, but it helps you so much in your workflow and managing all your tasks, that it is very important to learn. So you need to have a mindset that makes it fun for you. Okay, and we might be using Python or R, so you need to know one of these languages as well. Here's a golden tip most people might miss. Let Bash do the automation work, which is file handling, scheduling, etc. And using Python, you can do the data science, which is data science part, which is modeling, analysis, or visualization. And when you will be using Bash and Python together, you get the best of both, which is powerful, scalable, production ready workflow. And it actually works like a pro. That's the roadmap. Bash isn't just for the backend engineers. It's for anyone who works with data and want to save time, reduce error, and focus on insights. If you're ready to automate the boring stuff and level up your skills, hit that subscribe button and join the journey.
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama.